Hi guys, today I feel like making something a bit unique from what I usually make, so here it is. So we are gonna start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'm gonna get a 9 by 13 inch pan. I want it to kind of have sides just so this can rise up a bit if it in fact does that. This is my first time making it, so we'll see if it does rise up, but we're gonna generously butter our dish just so this doesn't stick to the pan. And here I have measured out about 2 cups of fine cornmeal, and I'm just gonna add that to my bowl. And now I am gonna measure out 1.5 cups of flour, just some all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna add that to my bowl as well. Plop! Followed by a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of blueberries, 3 teaspoons, or if you know your measurements, you know that 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon of baking powder. And we're going to roughly add in about half a cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar. Now add in 2 large eggs and 1.5 cups of milk. And then we are just going to mix that all together until it's fully combined. And this does have a nice strudel to go on top, so we will make that after I put this into my pan. Simply spread that out as soon as it's in your pan. And now for our streusel, we are just going to cut 1/4 cup of butter into small cubes. And you want this to be nice and cold butter, so try not to handle it too much. And then add in 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and finally a pinch of salt. And we are just going to run our fingers under some cold water, and we're going to work the butter into the flour and sugar mixture until it is nice and crumbly. You can always re-wet your hands with cold water to ensure your hands stay cold, and so this will get a nice crumble to it rather than be melty. That's very important here. And you kind of want to pinch the butter into the flour until it forms a nice crumble. And this is kind of the texture you're looking for when it's all nice and incorporated. And we are simply just going to spread it over this mixture as evenly as we can. Have to get every part tasting good, so yeah. And now we are going to bake this for roughly 25 minutes, maybe even 30. Now that this is out of the oven, we need to test to make sure it is thoroughly cooked through just by inserting a toothpick. And if it comes out clean, it is perfectly done. Now let me get a nice shot of this for you. The cornbread cake was totally amazing. I highly recommend you try it out. Again, it was my first time making this. I did alter the recipe a little bit just so that I could make it slightly bigger, but more to my taste because I added an extra blueberry. And if that sounds good to you, definitely give my channel a follow down below or subscribe. Like this video if you haven't already. And until next time, a banana.